This is a teardown of a IDTECH keyboard with card swipe, and it is a SRED model. So let's see what's inside. There we go. It does have a few screw mounts on the back, presumably for mounting like on the wall. Maybe it's like a keypad, or maybe for a point of sale machine. Not particularly valuable though, so figured I'd tear it apart and see what's inside. It probably actually would double as a regular keyboard as well, or keypad that is, but I didn't even bother, because it's not a proper number of keypads for, like, if I was going to use it for spreadsheets or whatever. There we go. And back cover there. Well, that's interesting. This has a CMOS battery, and is that RF shielding or is that an antenna? Really interesting wavy path. The USB cable for the keypad is removable and serviceable, so that's nice. I don't know if they had, shorter offerings. I broke that. I don't feel like doing it properly. Maybe they had shorter offerings, or if people were actually breaking it, I don't know. So this apparently was electrically connected to the board. It's these, I don't know what you call these things, but it's these little connection points here you don't really see like on quartz liquid crystal displays. Apparently it just held on by hopes and dreams. I don't know. It had a little nook in the back cover to hold it in place. So I think it might have been some sort of shielding, I guess, to protect like from wireless attacks on this. So I would assume there should be something on both sides. Maybe some copper plating on the PCB. I don't know. Why shield it on one side if you're not going to shield it on the other after all? This does have a clock battery for whatever particular reason. I don't know if maybe this has to maintain something in memory or if it has to maintain a clock. And these are just little injection molded keys that fit in their little grid. Kind of fun. Now they are everywhere. And just a membrane keypad design. So no shielding on the back side, so maybe there's some internal shielding. PCB is surprisingly thick for a keyboard. And then yeah, it should just have a regular CR2032 battery in it. Stuck in there pretty darn good. Oh! Also looks like someone spilled stuff on the keypad. Little coffee stain in there. Yeah. It's your basic clock battery. And here's the PCB. Doubt that there's going to be anything interesting in that sticker. The number 65. Yep. So, who knows what that chip does? It does have a crystal oscillator, so it's obviously a processor of some sort. And we got a little display here. interesting blue tint to it, kind of like that. See if we can pop it apart. I think it's backlit from what I can tell, because why have this white back piece here if it's not? And it looked like there's some LEDs blobbed onto the back. Yeah, this is the backing for the diffusion layer for the backlight. So there's some surface mount LEDs on the side there. That's shooting the light downwards and then spreading it out through the display. Oh, it just slides out, nice little mechanism there. And just a swipe magnetic card strip reader thing. This looks like your normal tape cassette head player. Where the hell they got that in there? Oh. Okay. Let's see here. We can get it out. There's the back, there's the front. 3 tracks. So, not too exciting, but hopefully it was interesting, and thanks for watching.